guys, this is Brandi with Thompson Farmhouse, and today I'm going to share details with you about our open shelving in our kitchen. I get lots of questions about that, so I thought I'd take an opportunity to just go over it all with you. About 2 years ago, we were building and I decided that I wanted to do open shelving in this kitchen, in this area, instead of the traditional upper cabinets. I'm a frequent shopper of Decor Steals, and as I was going through their site one day, I came across these beautiful brackets, and I ended up purchasing 6 sets. I have a set of 3 shelves on this side of the vent hood and another set of 3 shelves on the other side of the vent hood. Now, whenever I post pictures of my kitchen, I always get questions and compliments on these brackets. They're beautiful. They are heavy iron, lots of detail, and they really add a lot to space. We gave these brackets to our builder and they installed them for us. However, if this is something you're wanting to do yourself, you absolutely can, and I'll give you all the details to hopefully help you with that. The brackets will just get mounted to the wall, and we did a 38-inch space bracket to bracket horizontally. This wood is a #1 pine board and a 1x12. We cut ours at 46 inches. Again, if you may want a different spacing, and you may want a different length of board, just depending on the space that you're putting these in. So we stained our board, you could paint, and we attached it to this top shelf. As far as spacing between shelves, we have 18 inches between countertop, first shelf, and then 12 inches between the top 2. That has been perfect spacing for us and for this area and for what we use it for. And we did 3 shelves high just for visual appeal to kind of fill the space up good. And the top shelf is hard to reach, so it is home decor only. And the bottom 2 shelves is where I place our regularly used dishes. And I'll also have drinking glasses on the other set. And on this side, we have bowls, mugs, plates, etc. And as far as cleaning, I find it very easy to keep clean and to maintain the organization. And I do highly recommend, so if anyone's thinking about or interested in doing open shelving, I would say go for it. And I hope that this video helped you and answered all your questions. Have a great day, guys. Thanks.